Okay, we got to talk about these Judy Blues. As you all know, my favorite Judy Blues are the bleach splash. They are blue and they are distressed and they have the little bleach speckles. This is the black gray version of them. It's like a faded black. So, needless to say, these are my other favorite pair because they are fit basically the exact same except the color. So I like to have a blue pair. I actually have 3 pairs of these and 3 pairs of the blue. So that's how much I like them. They're my favorite. They fit me the best. I got a big booty and I got wider hips. That is where I carry my weight, just in case you were like, well, what kind of body type do you have? I like a boyfriend fit, and then these are just my favorite with the destruction. I just feel like they're stretchier. I love them. They're my favorites. Okay, so they are a mid-rise, great, fabulous stretch as always. Let's see, I have them cuffed a little bit at the bottom. They have great destruction through here, a little bit here. Okay, so they're true to size for Judy Blues. They're nice and stretchy. I'm wearing a size 9. I generally wear a size 10 across the board, not in Judy Blue. So to get your Judy Blue size, just size down 1, and you will magically have your Judy Blue size. And I highly recommend these. If you loved the bleach splash, then you definitely want these as well, because if you know, you know.